morning, students. I hope you all are doing great at your places, and today we'll be studying about relative clauses. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is relative clauses, right? You have to do a warm-up exercise. That what do you mean by relative clauses? That we'll be studying in this class. Relative clauses क्या होती है? It is in fact it is an adjective clause, right? And then it is introduced by a word who, whose, whom, which, that, where, right? You just read the following sentences very carefully. This is the man who lives in London. ये क्या है? Person. किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. This is the Red Fort which is built. That is built by Shahjahan, of course. This is the place, right? This is the watch which I bought yesterday. जो मैं कल लेकर आया हूँ. This is the thing. And the time when he will arrive. It is not certain. It is all about time. There is a fact file. हम क्या use करते हैं? We use who, whose, whom for talking about the people, right? Who is used for he, she, they. Whom किसके लिए होता है? Him, her और them के लिए. Whose किसके लिए होता है? His, her और their के लिए. Which or that is used when we talk about things, मतलब choice, right? When is used जब आप time के बारे में बात करते हैं. And where is used about place. Moving on to this kinds of relative clauses. There are basically two kinds of relative clauses. First is defining the relative clause. When relative clause is separated by a person or a thing, out of these several or you can say qualifiers, जो particular person or thing होता है उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Defining relative clause, and it begins with who, whom, and which, or, and these words can be replaced by that. जैसे कि my uncle who is a doctor lives in Patna. The boy who met me yesterday वो एक चोर था. He was a thief. Sentence first में there are several uncles, but out of them one uncle is a जो कि एक doctor है, who is a doctor, it is being referred to, right? Second sentence में there are several boy, but one of them जो कि मेरे को कल मिला था, who met me yesterday, is a thief, is being referred to. Next is non-defining relative clause. When there is only one person, जब एक ही person होगा, एक ही thing होगी और एक ही relative clause होगा, it gives the extra information about that person and thing. That person and thing, it is known as non-defining relative clause, and it is separate by putting the commas on either side of it. कहीं पे भी लगा दीजिए. My uncle who is a doctor lives in Patna. The boy who met me yesterday was a thief. अब आप देखिए, these sentence shows that there is only one uncle, one boy, and of course जो relative clause है, it gives the extra information about them. Moving on to this recap, we use comma with the non-defining clause and with a but not with a defining clause, right? Defining clause में हम लोग that use करते हैं who और which की जगह. In non-defining clause we cannot use that नहीं use करते हैं, because in non-defining we put commas. Defining clause में we can leave who, which, that when it is an object, and in non-defining clause we cannot leave who or which. Moving on to the exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with who, whom, whose, that, which, and where. देखिए अब I don't know dash he lives. I don't know whom you can write where he lives. मुझे नहीं पता है कि वो कहाँ रहता है, right? They live in a village which stands on the bank of river, right? I will try my best what I can do, जो मैं कर सकता हूँ, right? This is the pen. Here is the pen dash you like the most. Which you like the most, क्योंकि ये चीज़ों के बीच में आ गया इसलिए which आएगा. I met a boy who always deals in honesty. Right? Nobody can believe in dash what you just have said. जो आपने कहा उस पर कोई भी भरोसा नहीं करेगा. The man dash we asked for direction misguided us. The man whom we asked, जिनसे हमने पूछा था उन्होंने हमें misguide कर दिया. I have received the message that was sent by my friend. Right? Do you know the time when the party will start? And the official whom we approach is very rude, right? So that was all we have studied about relative clauses. It's very easy. Go through this and keep smiling. Stay blessed. Thank you.